Good day everyone! Welcome to our Day 5 topic on Abra School Bantay Calamidad Online Symposium. My felicitation to individuals who initiated and supported this significant and mandated school YesO activity. I am Jephunneh Gasmen, one of the research advisors of the Science, Technology, and Engineering program. I will be sharing to you about renewable energy resources and innovations. In this topic, you are expected to define renewable energy resources and innovations, understand how these renewable energy resources emerge to innovations, and promote energy-wise practices. Are you ready? To compel your engagement in this topic, share your practice in the comments section on how you promote energy-wise. What is renewable energy source? Renewable energy source means energy that is sustainable, something that can't run out, or relatively or absolutely endless, like the sun. Here are the common renewable energy sources. First, the solar energy. The solar energy is energy from the sun that is converted into thermal or electrical energy. Solar energy is the cleanest and most abundant renewable energy source available. Solar technologies can harness this energy for a variety of uses, including generating electricity, providing light or a comfortable interior environment, and heating water for domestic, commercial, or industrial use. How solar energy applies? First, the sunlight hits the solar panel and creates an electric field. The electricity generated flows to the edge of the panel and into a conductive wire. The conductive wire brings the electricity to the inverter, where it is transformed from direct current electricity to alternating current, which is used to power the buildings. Another wire transports the alternating current electricity from the inverter to the electric panel on the property, also called a breaker box, which distributes the electricity throughout the buildings as needed. And lastly, any electricity not needed upon generation flows through the utility meter and into the utility electrical grid. As the electricity flows throughout the meter, it causes the meter to run backwards, crediting your property for excess generation. Another energy resource is wind energy. Wind energy or wind power is created using a wind turbine, a device that channels the power of the wind to generate electricity. The wind turbine turns wind energy into electricity using the aerodynamic force from the rotor blades, which work like an airplane wing or helicopter rotor blade. When wind flows across the blade, the air pressure on one side of the blade decreases. The difference in air pressure across the two sides of the blade creates both lift and drag. The force of the lift is stronger than the drag, and this causes the rotor to spin. The rotor connects to the generator either directly if it is direct drive turbine or through a shaft and a series of gears or a gearbox that speed up the rotation and allow for a physical smaller generator. This translation of aerodynamic force to rotation of a generator creates an electricity. Once the electricity is generated, it can be used, connected to the electrical grid, or stored for future use. Another renewable energy source is the hydropower energy. Hydropower or hydroenergy is a form of renewable energy that uses the water stored in dams, as well as flowing rivers to create electricity in hydropower plants. The falling water rotates blades of a turbine, which then spins a generator that converts the mechanical energy of the spinning turbine into electrical energy. Hydroelectric power is a significant component of electricity production worldwide. The theory is to build a dam on a large river that has a large drop in elevation. The dam stores lots of water behind it in the reservoir. Near the bottom of the dam wall, there is the water intake. Gravity causes it to fall through the penstock inside the dam. At the end of the penstock, there is a turbine propeller, which is turned by moving water. The shaft from the turbine goes up into the generator, which produces the power. Power lines are connected to the generator that carry electricity to homes. The water continues past the propeller through the tail race into the river past the dam. First, Aeroponics as an autonomous system using intelligent space for agriculture by Judea D. Bringas, Ria Sumailo, and Cesare Jane Alcantara. This innovation promotes vertical gardening to maximize the use of space. Such innovation is powered by a solar panel that supplies electricity to the water pump. The water is then automatically delivered as needed by the plants. Another, the Arduino-based solar tracker with voltage output monitoring system via Bluetooth by Arlene Jovan Barbero, Roxanne Beras, and Rio Sumailo. This innovation harvests solar energy source in more efficient system than a fixed solar panel through east-west light dependent resistors and servo motor. Some extra features of this device include also voltage output monitoring system through mobile application and Bluetooth. We have also the bioenergy from wastewater and good manure using two-chambered microbial fuel cell in generating electricity by Jeremiah F. Malana, Wintrum Balikaw, and BJ Apalis. Microbial fuel cell, or known also as MFC, has been used for many years with various experimental designs and substrates. The microbial fuel cell contains wastewater in the cathode chamber while good manure was contained in anode chamber. In this innovation, the researchers used goat manure and wastewater as substrates which generated 0.66 voltage output. Can you think of any substrate that can be used in MFC or microbial fuel cell? Featuring to you also the Secubot anti-intruder automatic lighting alert system to suspicious acts with SMS notification by Frances Tiffany Tipanello, Gia Cesare Tipalcon, Wes Delby Barsamin, Ivan Bench de Agaloos, Lindsay Isabel M. Barbero, and Eten Ketchley de Sanidad. This innovation comprised automatic lighting alert system to intruders. It used ultrasonic to detect the suspicious acts. The system sends the data via SMS to notify the householder. Alarm system will be then controlled through a mobile app. Such device is powered through a solar panel. We have also here the innovation on solar-powered earthquake and fire detection in real-time operation via SMS notification and web-based data monitoring by Meljon R. Viste. Such device is helpful during earthquake and fire incidents. It sends real-time data or information about earthquake and detects fire if aftermaths occur. Such data is sent via SMS and web. The device is powered also by a solar panel. In this year's innovation, our students in Abra High School have developed also the portable and dual-powered renewable energy source hands-free hand sanitation station by David Viado and Venice Balbin. This device featured automatic dispensing system through infrared. Such device is powered through solar panel. Aside from the use of solar panel, the device used bioelectrochemical energy through microbial fuel cell. The used water for washing hands or the wastewater was used as a substrate in the cathode chamber, generating electricity to power up the device. Also in this year's innovation, we have developed the street-based disinfection rover powered with solar tracker by Maria Teresa Viste and Kenneth Serono. This prototype solar tracker used to maximize energy input of the rover used in street disinfection process. In this way, the rover works sustainably. These are the common renewable energy resources used by many. This time, I will feature to you some innovations of Abra High School students that promote energy-wise and sustainable resources under the Science, Technology, and Engineering program.